Hi guys, today I will explain to you how I fix my blank display on my PC. So last week actually it just start blank when I start my computers. Everything looks like this only, nothing shown on the screen. So what I did, the first step I did is actually to shut down the PC. So actually I have the graphic card here. Yeah, but I already removed it since I already know the source. But the first step I did is actually shut down the computers. So and then I remove the cables, shut down there also, close down, and then remove the power plugs. Wait at least 1 minute, uh, because maybe the electric is still there on the main board. So after that, I start switching my RAM, and then see the cables, if is it already linked together, is it tightened already, maybe it is loose, so you have to check. And also the graphic card, you open and then put it back, and then retighten the cables also. So when I did that, my computer still like that, still like this, nothing shown. So I Yeah, because I start back again, but nothing happens. So it seems like there is some hardware issues. So I also tried using my HDMI cable here, connect to my TV, but still there's just blank. So I already know that my monitor don't have any issue, because my TV is okay. I can connect to the TV box here. So there is something wrong. So then I remove the graphic card here. When I remove the graphic card, um, the ASRock logo already shown. I will show you something. So I connect the HDMI cable. So I remove my GPU, and then yeah, the HDMI cable actually connected to the GPU. So when I remove the GPU, then I connect my HDMI cable to my motherboard. Yeah, my motherboard has I'm using Ryzen 3 2200G, so it has integrated graphics. So it's shown this logo. Yeah, it's shown the Windows logo also. And then after that, it just blank. It didn't go to login screen in my case. Yeah, then actually when you restarted your computer, shut down and start 3 times, this recovery windows was shown. Yeah, so you can check on this, and then click on this advanced option, startup setting, so you can restart with the enable safe mode, because I cannot go to login screen even I restart so many times. So it's actually have something with the drivers. So it goes on this. You can go to number 4, safe mode. So I put my password. This is already in the safe mode. Then you can go to this and put device manager. So actually you have to use this display adapter. See here, display adapter. You have to disable this device. Just disable this device, because when your graphic cards have problems, then your display adapters become confused which one to follow. Is your graphic card or your integrated graphic card? So after you restart this one, uh, it's already restart as usual. Means that I can get my login screen without the safe mode anymore. So that is how I fix my blank screen. That depends on your problem actually. If it is in different issue, maybe your motherboard, you might have to find a different solution. So this is in yeah, this is a normal one. This is not in a safe mode. So you go to device manager, and go to display adapter, this one, and then before you enable, you have to update the driver, because sometimes it's because your driver is not updated. So you're searching like this, but mine is already up to date, so I don't have to make this one. So you have to enable it again after you update the drivers, then everything should be fine. So that is how I fix my blank display. Thanks guys, please keep watching on my next video.